Okay, let's get together. Okay. What I want to look at is, one second, let me see if I can make this bigger. Let me see if I can. Yes, I can. Let me just move it across a little bit. Okay. What I want to look at is electrical installation, termination of cables and clamping mechanisms. Okay. And here you can see that where it's been, the cable is being pressed in and being compressed. Okay. These are all lugs. Okay. Lugs. Okay. So let me make this a little bit bigger again as well. I don't want it to be, sorry, it cannot be seen. It must be able to be seen. Okay. Okay. Good. I think that's it. When filling the pot, make sure there are no small copper pieces has fallen into the pot, because this could cause a short circuit and cause damage to the MICC cable. Always check IEE regulations. Okay. When you strip back the outer sheathing, little bits of copper can fall into here, and when you put the pot on, these coppers would link to the outside of the body, and when you power up, it will just punch a hole in it. Okay. Make sure it's clean and clear, and test. And this is terminating mineral insulated copper cable. Okay. Okay. This is a conduit runner. Okay. Secure with a lock nut, basically. Okay. Conduit connected to clearance hole, male bush and socket method, female bush and lock nut method. Okay, just showing you both styles. Standard and angle pattern looping boxes. Okay. These are the conductors in this main landscape PVC insulated and sheathed steel wired armored cable. Okay. With solid aluminium conductors. This is aluminium armored cable. You can tell by the size of the conductors. If you can make the conductors too small, then they would break. Okay, as previously shown. Right, this is 3300 volt paper insulated cable, and again here we have PVC insulated and sheathed steel wired armored cable. Okay. PVC insulated, PVC sheathed cables. Okay, these are for domestic and commercial use. Okay. Okay, and this is standard arrangement of MICC cables. Check with the IE regulations at all times. Okay, in case there are any new arrangements that you may need to consider or take into account. Okay. pressure plate type. These are well-designed pinch screw type terminals, pressure plate type terminals, okay? They're quite effective in securing your cable without pinching it, and it makes sure that it makes a firm connection, so you minimize arcing between any of these points here, between this and the conductor. Okay, here you have a very good connection and secures, again minimizing any kind of arcing effect. Also very effective, these kind of clamps. Okay, hope you found these useful. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Okay, let me just work my way up, make sure that we got everything in view. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.